Okay, so let me take an attendance first of all, you guys. Then, how many tests you finish?
Sorry?
How many tests you finish?
How many days? What?
Test.
Huh? Sorry, I can't understand it.
I
Okay,
think I have finished all the tests.
all right, that's good. So let's start with trigonometric identities. Do you guys know what is trigonometric identity?
A little bit.
Okay, so let me share my screen first of all. All right, so for today, we are going to learn about trigonometric identities. What is that? So first let me write it down. Okay, so here what we gonna learn today. So we will learn about trigonometric identities, basic trigonometric identities to prove their identities, which is already true. So we have to show it. So what is our learning goal? So my learning goal, I am going to learn how to use trigonometric identities to prove other identities. Okay, this is our today's learning goal. At the end of the class, you will learn use basic trigonometric identities to prove that identity from the one side. So my learning goal, what I am going to learn today. So the practical application, the use trigonometric identities to prove their other identities. That is my learning goal today. Okay. Till end of the class, we will solve lots of questions. We will prove it by a mathematical form. So whatever we gain it, that will become my success criteria. So what is success criteria? So my success criteria, use basic trigonometric identities. Use basic. Is it readable? Are you guys able to read it?
Yeah.
Okay. Trigonometric identities to prove their identities. Okay. Then use by using unknown identities. By using unknown identities to prove an identity using one side. Okay, that means my success criteria will become I can use any trigonometric identity on one side and I will prove it my another side. Okay, so my third criteria will become working with or work with rational exponent run with rational expression involving trigonometric ratios. Okay, so this is my success criteria. That means after end of the class or till end of the class, I will learn how to use trigonometric identities in a problem. By using the trigonometric identity, we will prove it on one side. By using the one side, I will prove it another side. That means I will work with rational expression involving trigonometric ratios. Okay, so this is my success criteria. Yes, Jaren, did you get it? What is our learning goal today? What we gonna learn today?
Trigonometry identity and how to use it.
Perfect. And what about Shen? What we will learn till end of the class? What is our success criteria today?
How do you solve problem using it?
That's right. Now, let's start with identity. Can you tell me what is identity?
Uh, Characteristics.
Kind of. Are you a little bit close? Yes, Jaren. Do you have any idea what is identity?
Um, no.
Okay, so identity, that means an equation. Let me use my different pen. An equation that is true, always true. Okay, regardless of the values of the variable. Okay, that means we have some equation which is always true. We do not have to prove it. So that is known as identity. So an equation that is always true regardless of the values of the variable. So that is known as an identity. Let's take one example, then you will get it more clear. Let's say, can you tell me what is tan theta is equal to? If I want to write it down in sine and cosine form, what I can write it down instead of
Uh,
tan theta?
Sine over
Mm-hmm.
cosine.
Perfect. So sin theta over cos theta, that will become your tan theta. Okay, so this is a very good example for the identity. The equation is always for any value of the theta. For any of the theta, you will get the same answer on both the side. Did you get it? Any question? Any question, guys?
No.
Friends? Okay, all good?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So first we will show Pythagorean identity. Okay. Yes, Jaren, can you tell me what was the Pythagorean theorem?
Sorry, what's the Pythagorean identity?
Okay. What was Pythagorean theorem? Can you tell me? What was that?
Uh, is it for the size of the triangle?
For the triangle, just I'm asking random.
What?
For the triangle.
Yeah. Okay. So um the size of the triangle is the square. Um. So the base side of the triangle and the uh this side of the triangle is equal to this side of triangle square.
But what is that side?
What is that side? Uh,
Yes, what was that?
opposite side or any?
Okay, let me show you. In triangle, this Pythagorean triangle is always true only for the right triangle, first of all. Okay, this is my triangle ABC. This opposite angle of A would be lowercase a, lowercase c, and lowercase b. This one is my hypotenuse. With respect to this theta, I will say this is my opposite side and this would be my adjacent side. Okay. Now, in general, if I want in forms of triangle, if I am saying what is Pythagorean theorem, then I will say hypotenuse square is equal to sum of square of other two sides. Okay.